if I like my skin, if I like my weight, if I think myself, I have nice teeth. And it may just start with one tooth. Look at that tooth. That's a nice tooth, man. You could be overweight, you could have a list, you could have jacked up teeth, but you do not want to go home.
It's been years since I've gotten a hair like this, okay? Years. And the thing is, yes, I'm in a sports bra. The thing is, I have a wig like this, I've had a hair like this, and I legit lost it. I do not know where, I have the wig turn up or down. I don't know where the wig, I cannot find a piece of wig. So when Panse Hair contacted me to do a review, I was like, girl, send me this one. Also, I don't see too many AliExpress companies doing these kind of textures. No, this feels as if the texture was created. You know what I mean? You see how big it is? Oh my god. I'm only wearing 3 bundles and it's long, it's 26 inches. I'm only wearing, and I say only, but I'm only wearing 3 bundles and this hair is huge. So, whew, you're going to watch me flat iron this, but the thing is I am sweating, so I'm going to turn on the fan. Whew, this hair is hot, these lights are hot. I'm going to turn the fan on. I'll be flat ironing my hair with my Vanity Planet flat iron, and I have the correct details of this flat iron linked in the description bar for you guys. But and it's on 450, the hottest.
And all night, Hall of Fame on my mind, trying to be the greatest of all time and say it's all God. Yeah. I've been grinding all day and all night.
Okay, so I'm back. So I don't know if you guys could tell, but I'm actually wearing another frontal. Okay, cool. So I make my frontals differently, and I'll be doing a video on how I do my hair with frontals as someone who is just trying frontals. I'm combing my hair forward to give me that little hump. But yeah, as somebody who's not used to doing frontals, I construct my wigs differently. I didn't watch any how to construct a frontal before I started making the wigs. I just went ahead and did what felt right. Story of my life. I don't even read instructions on anything. But you guys, you want like, oh my gosh, a natural hair, permed hair realness. This is nice. So guys, this is my Panse hair, and I'll have the correct links, the correct name of the hair, excuse me while I make myself cool, all linked in the description bar below. But I have to say, I am so in love with this texture. I know my frontal needs a lot of work. I'll be working on it today, but I'm so behind on all my videos, you guys. I'm just trying to give you guys quality as well as stay true to my channel and don't do anything, you know, completely out of the box. That's why I keep all my fitness stuff on my vlog channel. I'm just trying to, I don't say find myself, but I love doing reviews. I love doing makeup. I love telling you guys where you can find a deal. I love this. I love what I'm doing now. So I'm just trying to balance my loves, you know what I mean? It does feel, however, that it went through a process in order for it to be like this, you know what I mean? It feels like it went through a process. It doesn't feel like they cut it off somebody's head and like this is it, you know? So keep that in mind. I am only wearing 3 bundles and a frontal. Now bear in mind as well that when you're wearing a frontal, you can get away with only doing 3 bundles or 2 bundles of any hair, because the frontal takes up a good chunk of the wig, you know what I mean, or the sewing, which is that you'll be doing a sewing. I have to turn the fan on. Oh my god, it's so massively hot. Jesus. Sorry, because now I'm sure you're hearing the fan in the background. Yeah, this is cute, right? You guys know? It looks cute to me. Alright, so as I was saying, this hair is Panse hair and they're an AliExpress company. I'll have all the information, the texture, the hair, the length and everything in the description bar below. I do believe that this is a 26-inch hair. Was it the 26 or 28? I'll definitely have it linked in the description bar below. The hair came packaged in this bag with their information, as well as I got some lashes from them. These 2 lashes, I got lashes from them, as well as some beauty sponge I got from them as well. But let's talk about the hair. So far so good, and please stay up to date with my social media, especially Snapchat and Instagram, any one of those, but Snapchat and Instagram definitely. I'll let you guys know how the hair is holding up, if the shedding is unbearable. So far oh my god, so far so good with the shedding. And did I cut the weft? I don't think I cut the weft that much. I cut the weft but not as much. Like I don't sew and cut. I did the wraparound method just to that. I do so that the hair is not shedding from where I cut it, you know what I mean? So far so good. I love how this feels as well. I mean, it feels it feels light and nice. Yo, I'm here for this. I am completely here for this. I thought this would have felt a little bit heavier because of the texture and the length, but it's not. It feels really nice. I really like this. I really do. Alright, so far so good with Panse hair. Let's see what holds up. Also, my vlog channel Lyric Uncut, I will be updating it as well. It's because I do lifestyle, I do vlogs there. So as I'm going through the day, I'll let you guys know what I'm wearing, how it's holding up, if I like it, if I don't like it. But I'll definitely keep you guys up to date on my social media. So far so good with Panse hair. Alright guys, so far so good. So this is it for this video, you guys, and I'll talk to you in the next one.